welcome to 3D Scenics, everybody. Today I have a review of printable scenery, the mushroom. It's mushroom grotto, if I recall. Yeah, it comes with 3 pieces. You have a door, as you can see, that you need to print the bottom and rooftop. Okay. What's especially about this is you can play in the inside. As you can see, it's structured. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Got a stove in here. You get 4 knobs for the rooftop. It's pretty decorated. You got, don't know if you can see it, but you have roofs and roots and such. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And it's pretty easy to put the bottom on top, because on the top you got 4 gravings, so you can easily put it on like so. Just know where the dots are and put it like so. It's pretty tight, as you can see. It's pretty solid. Okay. So yeah, you can print these apart. They come in 3 pieces. It's not fully cleaned. You need to clean it before I paint it. I will do a painting video on this pretty soon. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Okay. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. If you want to ask me something, I printed these on Antler 3 Pro. Yeah, I'm pretty happy how it came out. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay. This channel is pretty new. You can subscribe if you like this channel. Click on the like button if you did like this video. I will do more videos pretty soon, painting and reviewing what I printed on my 3D printer. I will do very soon a printer video episode too. So yeah, my settings and how I print and my machine on the basics. Okay. See you next time. Bye.